Oh, hi guys, welcome to back my channel. Thank you so much and I appreciate it. I get 5 subscribers. I hope you guys you will not regret to subscribe my channel. And I appreciate it. And I got also 56 views of my videos, all of my videos. I hope soon I get 20 subscribers and I got 100 views on my YouTube videos. And to all my subscribers, I will share you guys, you will not regret, I will share you guys the beauty of my place in here in my province. I will show you not just inside in my small house, and I will show you outside in my house. And I will go to the mountains, what is the beautiful, I will show you the beautiful view of my province. That's all guys. Thank you so much for to subscribe my channel. Thank you, thank you.